Well, you guys, I have a new apartment. I just got my keys today. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jake. If you've been here before, obviously this is not my old apartment because there's natural light. I'm so excited. The kitchen is gorgeous. It's stunning. I cannot wait to bake in there. But all my stuff is getting moved on Wednesday. Today is Monday, so I have 2 days until all my furniture comes. I'm selling some of my old furniture. And I also have my old apartment until the 15th this month. I have it for about another 11 or 10 days. So there's a lot of overlap, which is nice because it's making moving less stressful for me. I have like some ideas of what I want to do with this space, but basically it's going to look bare for a while until I kind of slowly accumulate the pieces I want. I've been looking at apartments for the past, I would say, month and a half, and no place has felt like home until this place. And I'm so glad I got it, so grateful I got it, and I can't wait to make memories with you guys. But when Isaac's here, I'll give you the full tour. Welcome to my moving vlog. Okay, now I'll give you guys the empty apartment tour. Isaac's behind the camera. Hi, Isaac. Yay! You walk in, this is my front door, obviously, and then closets are right whenever you walk in. There's two, and they light up, which I love. So if it's nighttime or it's dark, you can see what you're grabbing. Isn't that amazing? One of the things that sold me on this apartment were how fucking fat these doors are. They're like sturdy fucking doors, you know what I mean? Like, come over here. I love having a foyer because it separates the space, and I feel like having a foyer is like grand in a way. I want to put a shoe rack here, something to store catch-all, keys, whatever, and then a nice vintage mirror up here covering that monstrosity. But the thing about this apartment that I love is that there's a phone, a landline, so my concierge can call me when someone walks in. And my old apartment just let anybody in. Like, you could have robbed me any day of the week if you wanted to. Like, they didn't ask a single question. You just had to act like you belonged. And then you come over here, we have a linen closet, and I'm probably gonna turn this into a pantry of some sort. Over here, now let me just tell you right now, this bathroom has a window in the shower. And not only does it have a window in the shower is big enough for not one, not two, but more than 2 people. Not that that'll ever be needed. But anyway, toilet, sink, nothing crazy there. And then just, I'm gonna put a bench there to really, you know, anyway. My kitchen. The one thing I was looking for in a kitchen was one with an island. Every single apartment I looked at was a good apartment, and then it had like a galley kitchen, and I hated it, and I was like, I can't film in there. I saw this one and I said, yeah. But also, let me just tell you about my little Bertazzoni oven right here. These knobs are chic. It's gas, which my old apartment was not gas. Do you see that light hitting me from this side? It's because there's a window in my literal kitchen. That's hard to come by in New York City. And then this microwave. Guys, I looked at some apartments that had ovens smaller than this microwave. And they said, oh no, that's an oven. I was like, babe, in what world? Anyway, now you come into the living, bedroom, sleeping space. I want to divide this place, I think, with like sheer curtain because I kind of want to section it off, but also leave it open. And then bed, dresser, living area, eating, dining, who knows, but that's the empty apartment tour. Hi, it's now Tuesday, the next day. My apartment is currently a mess because I am packing everything up-ish. I don't really have to pack because my movers are packing tomorrow. Piece of cake is coming and they're gonna like pack everything in boxes and then we're gonna move it. But I'm kind of decluttering right now, organizing and just making everything in different piles so that it's easier for them in the morning and we can get in and get out of here. Like all this pile is just like PR, clothes, extra shoes I was sent and stuff like that. And then I sold my kitchen island. That's getting picked up today. I sold my media console. I think that's getting picked up today. I'm selling this partition and then I need to post my bed and sell that. I'm about to run to the new place though because I want to clean it today. But I'm also stressed and I'm also realizing this was my first New York City apartment. Like this was my first solo apartment and it's kind of sad because yes, I did not love like certain circumstances like looking at other people's windows the whole time. However, it's also a little bittersweet because so much has happened in my life in this apartment or since I've lived here in the past year and a half, which is crazy and things I haven't even like talked about on the internet, nor will I think talk about on the internet. But it's just like so much has happened and I've changed so much as a person since I've been in this apartment that of course it'll like hold a special place. Am I sad and gonna cry about leaving it? No, I'm going to a gorgeous, stunning, beautiful apartment that I'm so grateful for. You know, there's just things about it that are like, oh, like this has always been a comfort zone for me. This is all I've known since I moved to New York and it's comfortable, but it's time to get out of our comfort zones and expand in life, in careers, in relationships, and achieve more. So let's do that. Yay! Sorry, that was my soppy talk. Let's go to my new apartment. Okay, I just got to the new apartment, but I got a package, so let's open it and see what's inside. Hold on. Dishwasher pods. This is storage for flour, sugar, butter. Not butter. Flour, sugar, other stuff. My bathroom trash can. This is fragile. I don't know what that is. Don't know. Oh, screwdriver. This is a squeegee for my shower. And then scrub daddies. I just unpackaged all the little boxes I got. I want to show you the soap thing. It's so cute. I need to go get actual soap now. Isn't that just so cute? And then these are organization bins. This was Nespresso pods. Priorities are straight in this household. I'm not. You don't realize how much like moving costs until you're moving. And then you're like, oh my gosh, baby, there's no 30 bands here. I'm just filling up my soaps right now. And then I'm gonna go home to my old home. Well, I guess still my current home. Dish soap is all filled. You guys, I'm back in my apartment, my old apartment. And now I need to demount this TV on my own. Don't mind that. I had like this wire hider and it ended up ripping the paint off. So I need to figure out how to fix that. But also I was gonna hire a TaskRabbit and I forgot to. And I was like, oh, it's too late to hire a TaskRabbit, I fear. So let me do it on my own. So we're about to demount a TV. Try to. I just need to unscrew it from the wall and not drop it. How the hell? It's 9 p.m. Tuesday night. My movers are coming in the morning and I want to show you guys, I sold everything on Facebook Marketplace that I wanted to get rid of. My desk is gone, my island is gone, my rattan divider is gone, and my media console. It's officially moving day, so good morning. It is about 9:08 in the morning. Not about, it's 9:08 in the morning. And my movers are on their way. I have everything kind of organized for them as much as I can. And then whenever they get here, they're gonna box it up and then we're gonna take it over to the new apartment. Moving is so much work and I always forget it until I move. And then I'm like, oh, here we go again. And then I say, I never wanna move again. And then my lease ends and I'm like, let's move. You guys, I just got to the new apartment. I'm here, my movers are on their way. It's raining outside, so it's like a rainy day, but they're on their way with all of this stuff, and I just got my Wi-Fi. I got the box with my router, so I need to figure this out. Get connected. Fuck. Damn, there's so much stuff. Holy shit. Look at that. That's a router. Okay, so connect this and that. Okay, they're connected. This is my modem, my router. Okay. There it is. My movers just left. It's now 3:20 in the afternoon. I'm gonna unpack like the kitchen. Wait, let me show you guys everything. I brought this shoe rack until I replace it, but the closet space is amazing. There's so much space. I love it. And then over here, I have to go through all this shit. Bathroom stuff, kitchen, living room stuff, and then couch. This rug I just brought, so I have some rug. It's not my actual rug. Don't worry, I'm ordering new ones, but I just wanted some cushioning somewhere on the floors. I'm gonna move the couch down as well once I move that. And then my mattress is gonna go there on the floor, and then all of these. And then dresser is over here. I also have a piece of cake code for moving. I believe it is 10% off short distance move, 5% off long. All the information will be below on that, but it's get cake is my code. I was gonna do a really cute montage. It's now 6:39 at night. You can't see that. I am in hell. I'm in literal hell. Do you wanna see hell? This is hell. That's hell 2.0. And this is just even worse. Yes. I'm slowly making progress. The only problem is I don't have furniture. So just trying to find pieces like that that will get here soon so I can put stuff away. And then I'm putting a desk right here, so waiting on that. I'm trying to figure out the living room area and like how it can best be configured. The couch is gonna scoot down to the end of the wall, but I'm like, do I get like a storage hutch there? But I'm also gonna get a bookshelf here. The one thing I can't find are my damn trash bags. Like I haven't found my trash bags. That's what I want. There's so much like paper and that's what's stressing me out and I wanna throw stuff away. I have opened almost all these boxes. I guarantee the trash bags are gonna be in the last box I opened. Westville Hall. We're on hour like 11 of not eating. It's hell. I got grilled chicken, sweet potato fries, and then my favorite thing ever, the Greek salad with no olives. Oh my god, it looks amazing. The only thing about ordering fries, and I always know this, is they're never gonna be crispy. They're always gonna be a little soggy. Wait, these have some crisp and crunch. We're at the place. Yeah, wait. I promise we're at a gym. And we're going for a run. They have a coffee bar. Should we get coffee? I'm back. I just went for a stroll through Central Park, and I also went to Whole Foods because I just needed basic groceries, eggs, like turkey, whatever. And someone sent me flowers. Someone sent me orchids yesterday. Face is pretty. Oh my god, if you guys don't know what a money tree is, you're not allowed to buy them for yourself because it's like bad luck if you buy it for yourself, but it represents prosperity. And my family has always had one in our house growing up, and I remember we'd be like, did you water the money tree? You don't have to water it often. Wait, it's stunning. It's gonna grow up to be so happy here. Who's it from? Look at how cute. Oh, it's from my dad. Congratulations on your new place, Dad. We're building a storage cabinet for my bathroom. Guys, I just got home. It's about 10 p.m. My mom comes tomorrow. It's Mother's Day weekend, so I'm gonna vlog with her. But I'm gonna end my moving vlog here. I got some more packages, so we're gonna do more unboxing in the next video, but I feel like this is a good place to end this vlog. Thank you so much for joining me in this moving journey. This hair is pissing me the f*** off. Anyway, hi. I love you so much. I couldn't have done this without you. We built such a community on here and other socials, and I don't know, I just love sharing my journey with you, and this was so exciting. I finally feel like this is gonna be a home, and I'm gonna make it feel like that with the pieces I put in, the memories I make, and I can't wait to take you along for the ride. But make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell for notifications, and follow me on my other social medias to stay up to date with everything I do daily. Everything. Better or for worse. Anyway, love you. Bye.